Hello, this is GeorgeF551. You might have seen my first video of unboxing my new laptop. It ended abruptly because it was about 10 minutes long. Let me just tell you that you did not really miss much more of anything from there, because the next step was setting up internet, and it got to the point that I'm at now. Outside the fact I ran it a few days and ported a few icons and videos along. Anyway, to continue along, this is, no one of you can recognize who you are in here. True widescreen 16:9 aspect ratio, 1600 pixels by 900. And I don't know how well this is going to show, but under here, yeah, see that round thing right there? That's the bass exhaust port. Trying to get a little extra bass out of the sound system. And this computer will not sit where I put it. And it actually sounds pretty good.
It's a really cool program called Hamsphere.
Let me crank the volume. That's the one flaw with this thing is
It's pretty cool.
it's not very loud.
Virtual ham radio, and of course I could talk if I wanted to. Of course, you gotta wait. It's it's kind of like Skype, but just a little bit more.
Now to aim it towards the bass
realistic
port.
to ham radio kind of thing, and you don't really need a license. You don't need a license at all. I have a little, just a little call sign. My call sign is 2HS35.
Oh, delay pad, I tried not to give too much information, but as usual, it's a little hard to control stuff. Anyway, it does have a webcam. I have not tested that out yet. In fact, I'm not sure how I truly can. Actually, I do know how I can. Just right click, Internet Explorer. Okay, I did not say to do that. Let's see how well this thing works. What I'm going to do is record from webcam. Hey, I can see the bulb refreshing. Allow. Heck, go figure. It stopped working. Although the one thing I noticed seems to be rather crappy looking. I don't know if that's just... It's probably just the way it's processing. See how it does without the light. I actually show up halfway decent, rather blue. The other one you could barely see me at all. And then I just touch this and that craps out. I don't care, I just wanted to see how it worked. The real video from it, which I'll try at some point, probably will look a lot better than that, so I hope. Anyway, that's the final bit on the new laptop. I'm porting on my YouTube stuff from the old one, and I still got some stuff on the old one that I need to finish up on, so the old one's not dead. So that's the end of viewing my brand new HP Pavilion laptop. Hope you enjoyed it. And this is the real end.